This section of the course is about how to build a list of eager subscribers by laser targeting your audience. What you're trying to achieve is a list of buyers as opposed to a list of people on the internet. You're going to attract them by an offer or a subscription to your newsletter, but you are going to maintain them by ensuring that you keep value. So always give value, give at least a 5-to-1 ratio so that you're giving 5 emails of some sort of value that is relative to why they joined your list, and then 1 sales pitch. So keep that ratio in mind and you'll keep your subscribers. Try to research what people are looking for. You stay 1 step ahead of them and you'll always be able to encourage them to join your lists. So by researching and understanding what it is they're searching for, you're able to give them that benefit to join your list. And that benefit can be by writing good articles about information that are the benefits and the features of your products. Your subscribers will enjoy your articles and they will then want to join your email lists. Be a little diverse in your articles, put some humour in there, and also lots and lots of information about what they're looking for. If you're a little worried about writing articles about your business, you can get on fiverr.com and actually get somebody to write articles for you, but obviously when they come from the heart they are more focused on the benefits of your product. What is a great idea is to actually create an ebook about the benefits of your product or the benefits of your category, and or something similar about the category of your product. And that way, by offering the free ebook, they're actually signing up to be able to receive something, but they're also signing up with the purpose of you communicating with them. So something like an ebook or a free check-off list. Checklists are really good. You know, like everybody wants checklists about how to do things, and when you list the benefits of your product and the outcome that they will get from having used your product in the checklist, that also encourages them and keeps them in that factor of becoming a warmer customer for you, and obviously encouraging them to stay with your email list. The purpose of having an email list is basically so that you own your customers. The platforms that you use, you don't own any of those customers and they can shut you down very quickly. So the idea of obtaining an email list is to ensure that you have continuity with your business and that you can continually send them out value, keeping them interested, keeping them absolutely wanting to be part of your list, and then giving you that ability to be able to sell to them. The great part about your email list is you can create a very personal approach towards your marketing. You're not just relying on anybody else's targeted market, which is what you do with affiliate offers. You are really giving personality to all of your emails and all of your relationship promotional products that you're sending them as well. The good thing about that is that they will then have the opportunity to be able to pass on your information to family and friends, or if they're in your affiliate program, then obviously they're feeling supported and able to promote your product and grow your business through the affiliate program. When you're sending out promotional material to your customers, make sure it's interesting and fun, a bit like going to the movies. There's nothing worse than going and seeing a bad movie and having to endure 2 hours. You just delete the email. So make sure everything you send out is invigorating and of interest and on tap with the subject that you actually have got them subscribed for and relevant to their business, keeping everything in its relevancy. Make your promotional materials interesting and fun. Try to use a little creativity, but don't be too artsy. There's some good free products out there called Canva that you can do design with, and there's also a company called Pexel, P-E-X-E-L, and that will give you any free photos that you want to use. So making things relevant to the product that they signed up for, the product that you're selling them with what they subscribe to your email list. Try to give them really good articles about what benefits that you give for the product, not just features of what your products are going to do. The benefits are very, very important to be able to get them up that customer, taking them from cold, warm, hot. You want to get them hot. You want your email list to be full of hot customers. And the only way to do that is to continually give them value. So ensure that that is your predominant purpose for your email list. And 1 out of 5, so you're giving 5 lots of value, 1 salesy. You're guaranteed to increase your sales return on your email list, and of course you own it. I'm glad to have you with this in this course, and look forward to tomorrow.